Hey, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your BOYA BY-M1 without the battery. I'm using right now the BOYA BY-M1. This is here. And the interesting thing is that to use this one, you need to have battery inside to it. But I'm using this one. You can see it here. I'm using this one without the battery. So how you can use it without the battery? Let me just show you. This is the BOYA BY-M1 without the battery. So you can understand that I'm using this one without a battery. So how I do this, I will just tell you how you can do this also. So let's dive into it. So guys, you can see that this is the BOYA BY-M1 product is out of the box. And let me just keep the box aside, and here is the device which is actually without the battery. You can see it here, there is no battery in it. Let me just first of all connect this one and show you that without the battery, if you connect this, it will not work. So I have connected this thing. You can see it here. Here is the microphone. So let me just check it in the PC. Is it recording the voice or not? So you can see it here. I'm pressing. Okay. So you can see that means this is not recording any single thing. You can see it here. I am talking in front of it. Hello, hello. And you can see that there is no life of it. So that means this thing is not working, right? I have some kind of alternative to make this thing work. So here is the cable. You can see that this is audio splitter. I will give a link in the description so that you can buy this product separately. This cost about $1 or less than that. So here is the device or the cable. So let me just connect this one. Let me first disconnect from here. Here it is. Now let's connect this thing. So it's connected right now. So we have to connect this wire. There is the sign, that is, it is sign, microphone sign. That means you have to connect this one, and this is for the audio or headphone. So we are not going to use this one. We will just connect this thing. First of all, I am going to connect it here. You can see that there is a microphone sign, and here it is also. Sorry, there is little bit of dust here. So I just connected it here. And now let's check it out. It actually record the voice or not. So okay, and just restart this voice recorder again. So let's record the voice. Hello, hello, hello. So you can see that it's recording now. You can see that I'm just making some noise and it's recording, right? That means there is no battery in it. You can see that there is no battery in it, and still it's working. Here it is. Let me just show you, there is no battery. I'm not using any kind of things. You can see it here. Clearly it is just one wire that is connected to here, and there is no other things connected. So you can clearly see that I have just used this thing, this microphone BOYA BY-M1 without the battery. So I hope this will help you to make this thing actually without the another thing that I just forgot to show you, that is after just connecting that wire, you have to make sure that your thing is in smartphone mode, not in camera, otherwise it won't work. You have to make this thing from camera, it is here, camera to smartphone mode, then it will work. Okay, so I hope this will help you to record your voice without the battery and using the BOYA BY-M1. So guys, if you think this video is very helpful to you and you just know that how you can use your BOYA BY-M1 without the battery. So if you think this video is very helpful to you, you just learn something new. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Till then, bye. See you soon.